Just an FYI, a little PSA for everyone. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Big Listin' channel. We are in the Big Listin' basement, and we have another video for you. So I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not sure how long it's going to be or how much content I even have recorded for this. To be perfectly honest with you, I've been having a hard time creating content because my sales have been so slow this year. So the last video I released with content, not the year in review, was actually on December 31st. So the very first sale that you're going to see here in this video was from December 31st after that video was released. And this has been a super slow month. I'm still listing, still doing a bunch of stuff, but crazy slow sales. I'm really having a hard time just making the content. I don't just want to be, spewing things out there for people. So what I really want to do is hopefully put this video together, put it out there, and then move into the next one and make it fresh, nice for the new year. But yeah, let's start taking a look at what sold over the last couple weeks. Hey everyone, it's Monday, January 3rd. We have a sale going out here today, so let's take a look. It's right on this corner in A9, and the basement is officially the worst it's been in a long time. All of our patio furniture finally made it in, so there's going to be some reorganizing going on down here, but yeah, we're going to just have to spend some time down here in the next couple days. So we sold these Disney Infinity 3.0 Toy Story figures. There's Jessie, Woody, and Buzz Lightyear. And then there's Buzz's spaceship, which puts you into like a special world in the game. These guys sold for $15 plus $5 shipping. I'm not too worried about them, so I'm probably going to just individually bubble wrap them and then throw them into a bubble mailer and ship them on out. What's going on, everybody? It is Wednesday, January 5th. We got a sale today. Let's take a look. This is it, the Wall Total Beard Trimmer. Sold for $35 plus calculated shipping. Buyer paid $8.55 for shipping. Toss it in the box and it will go out. Now, I might sound a little excited about this sale, and I am. Why? Why, you ask? Because it's officially the first sale of 2022. First one. We had 0 through day 1, 2, 3, and 4, and today on day 5 we finally crushed a sale. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just the after Christmas lull. I'm still listing, doing my thing. I'm not going to sweat it, but I'll tell you what, it feels really, really good to get a sale after so many days without. What's up, everybody? It is Sunday, January 9th. We actually had 5 sales today. We're going to be pulling 3 of them because only 3 are paid for. 2 of them were best offers that were accepted, and I'm waiting on payment. But yeah, let's pull the 3 and take a look. So this guy's a heavy one. It's actually just shy of 6 pounds, which is why I'm not holding it out awkwardly in front of me. It's in a regional rate A box, so it's only going to go out at 2-pound rate, but this is a Radio Shack power supply. Tested, turns on, everything's looking good with it. Sold it for $25 plus calculated shipping. Buyers all in right around like 42 or 43 bucks. But it's great because it's going to go out in 2-pound rate rather than the nearly 6 pounds that it actually weighs. So, good stuff. 2 thumbs up for regional rate A box. Alright, this big guy is next. It's also pre-packaged. This is actually a blower motor for a furnace. Weighs 17 pounds. It's in a 12 by 12 by 8 box. Yeah, I know it's pre-packaged, not very exciting. But again, I'm glad it's going. Frees up a lot of space. And yeah, just time for it to go. So, buyer paid $65 for the item, and I want to say like 22 or 23 for the shipping. So all in right around like 85, 90 bucks. Good stuff. All right, and here's what's sold. This is a little pygmy hippo statue figurine. It's actually 2 pieces. The hippo is separate from the base. This buyer paid $6 for the item plus calculated shipping. I think they're all in around about 12 bucks. And it definitely packages nicely because it's glass, and send it on out. The other 2 things that I'm actually not pulling in packaging that I'm awaiting payment on are 2 separate plush that are going to the same buyer. So I'll show those whenever the buyer pays the next few days, but stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It is Monday, January 10th. We had 2 more sales today, both plush, so they're right behind me here in B and D. Something I want to let you guys know about, I'm going to be trying to shave unnecessary content out of the videos. So going forward, I might mention what bins things are coming out of, but I'm not necessarily going to turn the camera around and show every bin because you guys kind of have an idea of what's going on out there. So just an FYI, a little PSA for everyone, but let's take a look at what's sold. All right, first item that's sold, we got this Build-A-Bear Workshop Teddy. It's going out for $9 plus calculated shipping. It's first class, so buyers all in somewhere around 16 bucks. Going to throw in a poly bag and ship it on out. So this guy sold for $12 plus calculated shipping. Now this guy is this guy's a little bit over a pound. So he's going to go out priority mail, still in a poly bag, but again, priority mail. And yeah, 1 pound, 2 ounces all in, and comes with the outfit, the whole shebang. Buyers all in, a little over $20. Pretty great stuff. What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday, January 12th. We just got a sale, which I'm very excited about, so let's take a look. All right, so we sold this HP printer and cartridge. Something I want to note about this, I got this for $1, sold for $15 plus calculated shipping. Box is super beat up, but it is brand new. I have this little label here. It's a little post-it note with a number 1 on it because I bought 6 of these for $6 total. I actually individually listed these. I did not do a bulk listing or a multi-quantity listing, as some would say. And the reason I did that is because of the box damage. I want the buyer to know exactly what they're getting into when they buy. I don't want it to be like, hey, this box is messed up and the next one might be more messed up or less messed up, so it's kind of a roll of the dice. I want them to know exactly what they're getting. So I do a custom label, put a little post-it on there, and we're good to go. So this person bought number 1 out of 6. Going to throw this guy in a box, not a poly bag, because it's ink. I don't want it to accidentally explode if something heavy's on it. And we'll send it on out. All right, that's the video for the week. I hope everybody enjoyed. Again, I know it was a little odd compared to some other ones that I've done. But again, sales have been super slow, and you can tell there's a lot of days between those what sold clips. So hopefully things are starting to turn around here. I know I've had a number of sales so far this week. Very happy about that. But you know what? It's always bound to turn around. This is the after Christmas lull, and nothing I didn't expect. Maybe not this bad, but I still, you expect there to be a little bit of a lull. Everybody's kind of spent all their money on the holidays. But either way, till next time, I hope everybody gets out there and makes some sales.